Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT, PGT, LT grade English grammar and other English grammar associated teaching exams. As a practice set 7, let's start. Question number 1. Read each sentence to find out whether there is any error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. That part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is D. Question number 1. The origins of Urdu, option A, has been variously, option B, described by eminent historians, option C, no error, option D. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be option A. Next question. The work is not worthy, option A, as for its in-depth study, option B, of different aspects of Hindu culture, option C, no error, option D. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be as for its in-depth study, option B. Option B is the right answer. Next. Complete the sentences by using correct alternate. This book is helpful in educating the public about the blank space of the Vastu principles and its blank space to modern times. Option A, utility, importance, significance, application, elements, association, information, relevance. What will be correct answer? Correct answer is this book is helpful in educating the public about the significance of the Vastu principles and its application to modern times. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. The blank space objective of all economic policies is the blank space of poverty, basic eradication, ideal shortening, transparent emancipation, lasting curbing. What will be correct answer? The basic, correct answer, the basic objective. The basic objective of all economic policies is the eradication of poverty. Option A will be the right answer. Basic eradication. Next question. In the question given below, 4 sentences are given. By using these sentences, you have to frame a meaningful para. Choose correct order. Order P. P. Like a mirage, we keep pursuing one object after another endlessly, little realizing that the locus of our happiness is within ourselves and it has to be discovered. Q. Just as hunger can be satiated only by food and not by thought of food, likewise the subtle hunger, the feeling of unhappiness cannot be fulfilled by gross objects. Or happiness can be found only by realizing the self. As education, career, and position can only provide comforts in the world but not peace of mind and happiness. Option A PQR, option B RSQP, option C SRQP, option D PSQR. What will be correct answer? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be PQRS. Option A will be the right answer. Correct order is PQRS. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the phrases given below should replace the phrase given in italic in the following sentence to make the sentence meaningful and grammatically correct? It has always been better to use preventive measures than to cure illness. Has always been, is always, was always, would have always been. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be is always. Option B. Next question. He admitted admiringly that he had never come across a painting which did not please him more. Option A pleased him more. Option B would have pleased him. Option C had not pleased him more. Option D had been pleased him anymore. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be pleased him more. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Choose the word which is opposite in meaning to the word given in capital letters. Keen. Keen means utsuk. Perplexing means हैरान करने वाला. Unwilling, अनिच्छुक. Bewildering, विस्मयकारी. Fragile, नाजुक. Correct answer unwilling. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Next question. Transparent. Transparent means पारदर्शी. Obligatory means अनिवार्य. अनिवार्य. Strenuous means जोरदार, हॉन्टिंग मीन्स बार बार याद आने वाला, बार बार याद आने वाला। वैग्यू मीन्स धुंधला। तो हियर आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, वैग्यू। ऑप्शन डी will be the right answer. Next question. Choose the word which is same in meaning to the word given in capital letters. Assumptions. Assumptions mean मान्यताएं, मान्यताएं। फैक्टर्स मीन्स कारक। बेसिक्स मीन्स मूल या मूल बातें। क्राइटेरिया, क्राइटेरिया मीन्स मानदंड। सपोजिशंस मीन्स होता है अनुमान या मान्यताएं, मान्यताएं। तो यार आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी। आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी, सपोजिशंस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 11, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। स्टैंड, स्टैंड मीन्स तनाव। बर्डन मीन्स बोझ या तनाव, बर्डन मीन्स बोझ। रिस्क मीन्स रिस्क मीन्स संकट। नो नो, रिस्क मीन्स जोखिम, सॉरी, रिस्क मीन्स जोखिम। पैरिल मीन्स संकट। डेवास्टेशन मीन्स तबाही। So the answer will be pardon, option A. Option A will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 plus questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.